This is the AI feed, and here's your AI Weekly Intelligence Briefing for the week of December 8th to December 14th, 2025. The landscape is shifting rapidly. This week shows AI expanding beyond language into true contextual understanding, signaling a broader shift in human-computer interaction. Our editorial thesis is clear. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in how humans and computers interact with the world. It's no longer about just processing tokens. It's about understanding the environment, the nuance of human intent, and the subtle cues that define our physical and digital reality. Let's dive into our first signal. Multimodal reliability is finally reaching a point of professional stability and deep integration. Throughout this week, we've observed a significant decline in demo-style discussions. The wow factor is being replaced by the how factor. Organizations are no longer asking if it works. They are asking how it scales across global departments and complex data silos. This transition suggests that the technology has crossed what we call the usability threshold for multimodal tasks in mission-critical environments. When models can reliably process images and audio without hallucination, they become integral parts of the corporate nervous system. Reliability is the boring part of progress, but it's the most essential part for real-world impact and long-term trust in these systems. Signal 2. Interface expectations are changing. The way we think about the screen and the input is being completely rewritten. Users now expect AI to read images and interpret visuals in real time. The text box paradigm that defined the last decade is fading. Mixed inputs are becoming the standard. A user might show a photo of a broken part and ask a question via voice simultaneously. This is more than a UI update, it's an evolution of the interaction paradigm itself. We are moving from command line logic to conversational logic. As AI becomes capable of seeing what we see, the barrier between our physical world and digital intelligence virtually disappears. This week's data suggests that real-time visual context is no longer a luxury feature. It's a baseline expectation for any sophisticated tool. The interface of the future isn't a keyboard, it's a shared perspective between the human mind and the machine intelligence. Signal 3 focuses on productivity integration. We are seeing AI embed itself deeper into the tools and workflows we use every day. AI is appearing directly inside research workflows, summarizing vast datasets and cross-referencing global documentation instantly and accurately. In software development, AI is moving closer to the operating system layer, managing background tasks and optimizing system performance in real time. This isn't just an add-on feature anymore. AI is becoming the engine that powers the entire modern productivity stack from the ground up. When the AI understands the file system and the context of the user's work, it can anticipate needs before they are even articulated. This week's integration milestones show a trend toward invisible AI, technology that works in the background, silent and efficient. Integration is the path to true intelligence. It's the difference between using a tool and working with a partner that knows your habits. Signal 4. Cognitive offloading begins. This is perhaps the most significant psychological shift we've tracked in the modern era. People are beginning to delegate high-level interpretation tasks to AI. We are offloading the thinking part of our day-to-day work. Whether it's analyzing a legal contract or interpreting medical data, the initial cognitive heavy lifting is being handled by machines. This represents a major shift in human psychology. We are moving from a state of doing to a permanent state of reviewing. As we trust these systems more, the nature of human expertise changes. Our primary value shifts to judgment, curation, and ethical oversight. Early adopters are already experiencing a 40% reduction in cognitive fatigue on complex tasks, allowing for deeper focus on creative strategy. Offloading isn't just about speed, it's about freeing the human mind for higher-level creativity that was previously suppressed by routine tasks. Now let's look at the implication block. Why do these 4 signals matter when viewed together as a single trajectory? Agents require understanding. Without reliability and visual context, an AI agent is just a script. With them, it becomes a true digital presence. Multimodal capability is the foundation that enables future agent systems. It's the eyes, ears, and hands of the digital world. This week builds the groundwork for our earlier agent narrative. We are seeing the infrastructure for autonomy being laid down globally. Every improvement in reliability brings us one step closer to an era of truly autonomous digital employees working alongside us. The transition we've seen this week isn't just incremental, it's foundational. It fundamentally changes the floor of what is possible. Looking ahead, we expect these signals to merge into a single unified interface for all human productivity by late next year. If you aren't preparing for an environment of contextual AI agents today, you are already behind the curve of tomorrow. Those were the key AI developments for the week of December 8th to December 14th, 2025, a week of foundation building. AI is beginning to understand the world more like humans do, across context, across visuals, and across intent. From the OS layer to the psychological layer, the integration is becoming seamless, total, and irreversible. As we move forward, the question isn't how we use AI, but how we evolve to live and work alongside it. The shift in interaction paradigms we've seen this week is the start of a much larger story for humanity. This is the AI feed. We track the signals so you can see the future before it arrives. This is only the beginning. Stay informed.